watching this. You need your help. We've got a competition coming up. Look on stage 3.
So big mama.
Don't you big mama me? Nah, I didn't cry. I couldn't wait to exhale, and I'm certainly not going to fall for your puppy dog eyes. Now, this day is getting away from me. We got to go, Karen.
Why do you say these packets at your house tomorrow morning, Carrie?
Because I can.
Where you going, baby? Where's your blankie?
Oh, Lord.
Where's your blankie?
I'm good to have enough from home taking care of.
There it is.
To wait on you.
There it is.
You know what kind of name?
Go find me a book.
I'm starting to get the picture.
Go find mommy a book. You're so silly. Oh my goodness. 15 months.
Take your little brother in there for me. I'll be right
Where you going, bub? I gotta get his haircut. Excuse it. Tomorrow. Aiden.
What the hell you
Roof, roof.
doing around the bush?
Go. Meow. Cat.
Sharon?
I got the hiccup.
Nothing?
Where's the book?
Going up in here.
Find me a book.
Well, you been stuck on something.
Where's the book?
This stops today.
Yeah, that's the book. What are we gonna read? Oh, I got the hiccup. What are we gonna read? Huh? Oh, look at your hair. It's not too bad though.
That package you want?
This needs to be brushed.
That's just
Brushed. What are we gonna read? Let's try. Let's see. Hey, so where's the cat?
Don't get
Where's the cat? No, that's the dog. He's so goofy. Book, where's the ball? Show me the ball. Look, here's the ball. Ball. Where's your ball?
Good. I'd love to. How about now?
Let me see if I can find his tiger so he can say roar. What is this? What is this? Is that your ball? Yeah, that's your ball. And that's your ball. Where's your little tiger? Here it is. What is this?
Excuse me. Big Mama has.
What is that? What is it? Is that a tiger? Roar. Roar. Tiger. Yeah. There's a tiger. What is that? Is that a ball? Turn it really down so. Where's the tiger? Where did your tiger go? Huh? Here, play with your Cars book. The room. Tiger? Where's your tiger? Tiger. Yeah. Roar. Roar. Hey, roof, roof. Dog. Meow. Moo. Moo. What makes that sound, Aiden? No, that's a cow. Say cow. You so goofy. Say cow. You're not gonna say cow? What about quack, quack? Duck. What about moo? Huh? Roof, roof. Meow. Pet. Moo. Moo. Say cow. Say cow. Whoa, good job. You rolling the ball? Say ball. I don't know why he does that. Where's the duck? Quack, quack. Cat, meow. Cat. Moo. I mean, moo. Cow. Yeah. Is that a tiger? Roar. Good job. Good job. Roar. Tiger. Yeah. Roar. That's the mean tiger. Here's the nice, friendly tiger. Tigger the tiger. There's Tigger the tiger. Hi, Aiden. How are you, little boy? Hello, Aiden. How are you, little boy? He don't fall for no more. Here, kiss the tiger. Kiss Tigger. Kiss Tigger. Here. Say, mwah. Here, kiss Tigger. No. Here, kiss him. Give him a kiss. No. Say no on camera, Mama. Say hello. Oh, goodness, he's going to start throwing everything out. Look at him. Here, telephone. This is what he does on a daily, but he usually just tilts the whole box over. What are those? Are those bubbles? Oh, sorry. Are those bubbles? Who's gonna say it? Say bubbles. Bubble. Say bubble. Bubble. Bubbles, yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye. Good job, honey. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Yay. Say bye. So bubbles? Are those bubbles? All right, later, you guys. Huh? You gonna kiss him? Kiss? Kiss? Good job. Good job, Aiden. Say I love you. Say I love you. Oh, aren't you sweet? I love you. Where you going with Tigger? Oh, yeah? Wow, Aiden. Say bye. Say I love you. Say I love you. Say hello. Where's the phone? Where's the phone?